Looks can be deceiving, especially in the animal kingdom. Some animals may look harmless, but actually aren't, and vice versa. Welcome to Give a Fact, and you are watching Top Scary Animals That Are Friendly. If you like this kind of video, be sure to subscribe for more great content, or tell us what you want to learn more about in the comment section below. Now let's get straight to the video, shall we? 1. Naked mole rat. Although this mostly hairless animal looks a little alien, the naked mole rat is a pretty sociable creature. Living in colonies of 20 to 300 individuals, naked mole rats are only one of 2 mammal species known to be eusocial, or able to exist in complex multi-generational groups, according to the San Diego Zoo. Similar to a beehive, only a few individuals in the naked mole rat colony produce offspring. The rest are soldiers or workers who search for food, maintain the tunnels, and help care for the queen mole rat's young, as further explained by the San Diego Zoo. 2. Ai. This gremlin-looking creature is a primate found in Madagascar. Perhaps due to their odd appearance, these gentle, harmless animals that weigh only 4 pounds are often killed because of a local superstition that they are harbingers of death. Ai have a number of unusual traits, including a long, bony, witch-like middle finger that these peaceful, nocturnal foragers use to pry insects and grubs from tree trunks. The Ai is also unafraid of humans and will approach for a closer look. 3. Basking shark. Seeing this shark's wide open mouth bearing down on you might seem like a diving nightmare, until you realize it's a basking shark. Unlike other carnivorous species of sharks, basking sharks are filter feeders. They prefer the taste of zooplankton and couldn't jump down on you if they wanted to. The basking shark is endangered, so be sure to admire the beauty of these elegant beasts if you encounter one in the ocean. Stay back though, since they are very large and their skin is extremely rough. 4. Vampire bat. The vampire bat's diet is mostly blood. Plus, they have ghoulish faces, live in dark caves and hollow trees, and only come out at night. But they typically prefer to feed on cattle, goats, and sometimes birds. Vampire bats don't suck the blood of their prey. They use their teeth to make a tiny incision in the skin of their victim. They do it so lightly that they can sometimes drink for up to 30 minutes while the victim continues to sleep. Vampire bats can be quite tame and even friendly towards humans. National Geographic Kids said one researcher reported that he had vampire bats that would come to him when he called their names. But their bites can carry infections and diseases, including rabies, so these animals are best avoided by humans. 5. Tarantulas. Although it might be a stretch to claim that arachnids have qualities such as friendliness, fans of tarantulas swear that these creatures are very sweet-tempered. She is a lovely pet, quiet, easy to look after, and non-aggressive, said Claire Whittington in the Times Free Press, in reference to her pet Chilean rose-haired tarantula. 6. Eel. These slithery, serpentine fish can certainly look menacing, but it turns out eels may have a soft side. Professional diver and conservation advocate Valerie Taylor became an internet sensation when a video of her interacting with a seemingly friendly eel went viral. The eel swims all around the diver and even nuzzles her face, not unlike a puppy. As it turns out, there is no shortage of YouTube videos featuring eels that seemingly enjoy getting pets, such as this scuba diver handling a moray eel shows. That said, you should not pet any wild animals with your bare hands, even the friendly-seeming ones. 7. Goliath Birdeater. This gigantic, hairy spider is a tarantula native to the rainforests of South America. One of the largest species of spiders in the world, the Goliath Birdeater earned its name from a 1705 copper engraving that showed the spider eating a hummingbird. Despite the Goliath Birdeater's appearance, the size of its fangs, and its reputation, this spider prefers to dine on snakes, lizards, and insects, and it is only likely to injure a human if provoked. 8. Giant African Millipedes. You may be used to shooing garden variety millipedes out of your home, so the concept of a giant one may not sound too exciting. But giant African millipedes are actually kept as pets all over the world, according to Spruce Pets. They are docile and generally friendly, but as they are exotic pets, they have special care instructions. 9. Whale shark. Talking about outrageous size, the whale shark is the world's largest fish, reaching a length of about 13 meters. In spite of their incredible proportion, these truly are gentle giants. Some young whale sharks are even known to play with divers. 10. Thorny dragon. This Australian lizard has a terrifying first impression. Armored with an array of intimidating spikes, the thorny dragon only grows up to 20 centimeters and eats ants. Aside from the fact that it will shoot blood at you from its eyes if threatened, there's no need to fear this little guy. 11. Marine hatchetfish. What looks like someone's worst nightmare is actually a small deep-sea mesopelagic ray-finned fish found in tropical and subtropical waters. Reaching about 12 centimeters in length, this little critter can't harm anyone. 12. Wolfish. Another terrifying creature living deep in the ocean. The wolfish is a bottom-feeding fish that can measure more than 2 meters. But humans don't need to fear its powerful jaws. The fish only uses its strong canine and molar teeth to crush small invertebrates and crustaceans. 13. Vulture. These birds might foretell death in old Western movies, but there's a lot more to vultures than meets the eye. After forming monogamous bonds that can last for years, vulture parents take excellent care of their fledglings. In fact, they may feed the babies for up to 8 months after birth, and vultures often maintain strong social bonds with one another throughout life, according to the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Other birds might get kicked out of the nest at a young age, but vultures may stay close to their parents throughout life. 14. Gharial. Also known as gavial or fish-eating crocodile, the gharial is a giant, critically endangered reptile, now only living in certain regions of India and Nepal. The animal's teeth look formidable, but in fact, its thin and fragile jaws are incapable of eating anything too large. 15. Manta Ray. Measuring up to 7 meters, manta rays are large eagle rays found in tropical, subtropical, and temperate waters. Historically, these amazing animals were feared for their enormous size and power. Nevertheless, manta rays have been proven to be gentle, docile, and sometimes even playful animals. 16. Humpback anglerfish. Found in tropical to temperate waters at depths of 2,000 meters, the humpback anglerfish is scary looking for sure. It lures its prey with a bizarre glowing antenna sticking out from its forehead. In spite of its ghoulish looks, this deep-sea dweller is not actively after human flesh. 17. Tailless whip scorpion. The tailless whip scorpion is not a scorpion at all, but looks like a combination of a scorpion and a spider. It is so named because of its lack of a tail and whip-like front legs that are much longer than its body. It's not venomous and poses no threat to humans. 18. Emperor scorpion. This guy's fear factor pretty much ends with the creepy appearances. One of the largest scorpions in the world, the emperor scorpion grows up to almost 8 inches in length. It looks glossy black but glows blue or green under ultraviolet rays. It has massive red claws that it uses to grab prey. It has a stinger and produces a mild venom that is not considered dangerous to humans. 19. Wolverine. The wolverine is the largest land-dwelling species of the weasel family. It has a stocky, muscular build and a broad head, short snout, and a bushy tail. To top it off, the wolverine also has sharp claws and powerful, bone-cracking jaws. They may not be made of adamantium, but they are super strong. It's a fearless beast with a reputation for killing prey much larger than itself. Fortunately, there are no reports of attacks on humans. And that is a wrap. What did you learn from this video? Let us know in the comment section below. We hope that our educational videos will help spread the knowledge so everyone can protect our world and biodiversity together. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find our videos useful and want us to make more videos. Until next time, give a fact.